So you're probably wondering why they're working on my car and I'm just sitting here not working on my car. Well, it's because I suck at this.
You're learning.
I'm learning.
You're learning what not to
Yes,
do.
exactly.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here today to start back on this Honda Civic once again. Putting in some new extended lug studs, some bearings and stuff. We're all loving it. It's hot and muggy outside. We're gonna be sitting in the garage all day. Hopefully gonna be doing some more stuff. Got Josh on the freaking jack right now. What up? It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a great day. Skyline's out in the rain right now, as well as the Subaru. Rip. Currently jacking up the car right now. Once we get the car jacked up, we'll be able to take all the wheels off. And once we have all the wheels off, we'll be able to actually start disassembling the calipers, the rotors, getting everything taken off.
Here, I am sweating for no reason.
So I took that bolt out, this bolt out, which go here, and then that loosens the calipers. There's a bracket on the back side, but basically there's two bolts that go through it. You see that thing right there? With that secured, the whole caliper is actually really hard to get off. Okay. And then you don't have to worry about the weird rocker. Yep, you got those two? Cool. So now this, see how this has slack? Yeah. Wiggle, 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 keep going. There. Now you can focus on the two bolts holding the bracket. And bracing the suck. My hopes are that I'll get this heat shield off enough and I'll be able to get directly flat between.
How many tools are going to break before this is done?
All of them.
Give me your estimate. All of them?
All of them.
What do you think, Tucker? How many tools are going to break before this is all done?
I'll go with solid 2.
I'm being realistic. He's being
You over here.
I'm being optimistic, honestly, yeah. You can suck my balls, because I just got the strip screw out.
Ah.
Zoom in on that bitch. Rusted by Mother Nature.
I'm waiting for it to give way, fall, smash my toe, and I'm gonna slice my finger off on your dust cover. That's what's gonna happen. That's
would
being
actually be
realistic.
very-
I'm gonna go ahead and interject. I didn't cut my finger off, and I didn't smash my toe, but we're beating the shit out of this car because everything's completely corroded. It's been in the north for the first bit of its life, so.
This is so anticlimactic. Oh, we're here now.
One more. Stop. That's how we do it.
Alright, cool. Thanks, Dad. Swear to God.
I felt it.
I didn't even move.
Do you have a sensitive butt?
I do. Don't. God damn it.
I can't even move my feet and they automatic will do it.
better. I'm about to do like the fucking Fast and Furious stare at me, trick the road. We got here. We got the Master Pro undercar. Hubs and bearings. My rear. Because something weird happened to the old one.
Hey Tucker, what happened to the old one?
What happened to the old bearing, Tucker? What happened to my old hub assembly?
I don't know.
Why do we have to buy new ones?
I don't know.
No, weird. Neither do I. What do we got in here? Hey. Garbage. Fucking just stop! With the beat on my butt.
All I gotta do is flex my toes now. I'm so far in. It's so powerful. So far in, I just gotta flex my toes.
We got like fucking 5 pounds of Taco Bell here. Over it. Beer in that.
Huh? I don't fucking know.
Neither do I. 4th pound.
3rd now. 2nd now. So basically what we're trying to do is separate the knuckle from the rest of the car so we can press out the hub and bearing assembly and get these bad boys in there. The beast has been slain. But hold the face so it doesn't fall off, you know? What you doing there, buddy?
Can't even look at you in the eye. It's just so sad.
You're fragile.
What just happened?
You couldn't even fucking continue it. Hey, buddy. How does it make you feel knowing that you have to buy new wheel bearings? Aw.
7-level Tucker hard at work, putting the final touches on the SI project. SI. So what did we learn today?
A lot of things. Car stops.
All fucking lug studs and
Good.
I learned that bushings are horrible when you do not have the right tools. Fucking blister popped. Gnarly. All in the day's work.
What'd you say?
oh my Jesus. I said I can't see you.
Drive like this.
You could probably get away with that. Unless you can't reach the pedal at all.
Barely. Barely.
I see your brake light coming on. Thing does look good, dude.
So it wasn't the tire.
Even dirty for this kid.
I like how the stickers pop now.
Yeah, it wasn't the tire, so it was the actual fucking splitter itself. I'm happy with that.
Let's go get these bowls, man.
Yeah. Bowls.
Say bye. That's all you got.
That's all you got?
That's all we're doing tonight. I'm beat.
Yeah.
You're beat.
Covered in grease.
He's beat.
Josh is
So,
like crying in his car right now.
Yeah.
He's like, it's finally done.
It's finally done. All right. Well.
No.
You want to do the Randy?
I think we should do the Randy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit it.
Hit it.